How to add favorite channels on Hulu. If you are not subscribed to Live TV, you can still access your preferred channels in the My Stuff section. For Live TV subscribers, the channels you have added to My Stuff will be visible both in the My Channels page and My Stuff. So let's get started. To navigate, go to Hulu's main page and click on the Hubs tab located at the top of the screen. Now, from the Hubs tab, you can either add channels to your favorite directly or view the complete A to Z list of all available channels on Hulu first. When you locate the channel you want to add to your favorites, then click the three dots in the top right corner of the channel styled image, then select Add to My Stuff. You can access your favorite channels in the My Stuff tab by selecting it from the top of the screen and next to the Hubs tab. As a Live TV subscriber, the channels you have added to your My Stuff tab will also be visible in the My Channels section. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.